What can chiropractic do for shoulder pain? The shoulder joint is probably the most complex joint in the entire body. It consists of the head of the humerus bone, the end of the collarbone, and the acromion process of the scapula. The range of motion of the shoulder joint is also very versatile. And if there's pain in the shoulder joint, the doctor is going to check for range of motion first, comparing the non-painful joint to the problematic joint. As a chiropractor, I find that a lot of the pain in the shoulder joint is coming from a clavicle that is not where it's supposed to be, or a scapula that has rotation. And that's the beauty of being able to use challenges to assess joints in the body. Once I've found the misaligned structure, I will use an activator gun to make the precise changes necessary to correct the misaligned bones. Be aware that since the shoulder joint is so complex, it is important that we recheck the joint to make sure that the changes we've made have been maintained. Just like any other joint we've talked about, if there is pain in the joint and you are overusing the joint or are taking over-the-counter medication to mask the pain, you could be doing irreparable damage to the joint. When it comes to the shoulder, don't forget about referred pain. Referred pain is when there is an irritated nerve, possibly in your neck, and it is sending a pain signal to the end of the nerve where it ends up in another spot, in this case, your shoulder. At Thrive Chiropractic, we always check to make sure that referred pain is not coming from your neck.
Are you ready to thrive instead of just survive? Let's get started.